Managing time off and attendance can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of any business, but with Deel, it doesn't have to be. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to streamline your time off management and attendance tracking using Deel's intuitive platform. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a remote team, Deel offers powerful tools that can make your workflow more efficient. First off, Deel makes it easy to track employee time off by centralizing everything in one place. No more managing spreadsheets or constantly checking emails to see who's off and when. From the dashboard, you can view all your employees' time off requests and approval status, making it clear and easy to understand. You can set up different types of leave policies based on your company's needs, like vacation days, sick leave, and parental leave, and Deel handles the rest. Now let's talk about attendance. Deel not only helps you track when your team members are taking time off, but also allows you to manage their working hours if needed. With Deel's flexible tools, you can record the exact hours worked and integrate that data directly into your payroll system. This keeps things organized and ensures you're only paying for actual hours worked. This can save you a lot of time and eliminate errors in your payroll calculations. You'll also appreciate how Deel automates approval workflows for time off requests. With just a few clicks, you can approve or deny requests from employees based on your availability or business needs. All of this is automated, meaning no more back and forth emails. Plus, Deel provides a notification system to keep you updated on the status of requests. One of Deel's most powerful features is its ability to offer customized leave policies for global teams. Whether your employees are based in different countries or working across multiple time zones, Deel ensures you stay compliant with local regulations. It's especially useful if your team is remote or located internationally, as Deel adjusts policies to each country's specific laws. For those looking to keep everything neat and organized, Deel offers detailed reporting tools. You can easily generate reports on time off usage and employee attendance, helping you gain valuable insights into your team's productivity and work-life balance. These reports are perfect for making data-driven decisions and improving your overall workforce management strategy. And the best part, Deel's platform is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be tech-savvy to manage attendance and time off. Whether you're an HR professional or just a manager trying to keep things organized, Deel's interface is intuitive and simple to navigate. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use Deel for free by clicking the link in the description below. Our exclusive offer provides you with an extended free trial so you can get a feel for all the features and see how Deel can simplify your time off and attendance management. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your HR processes. With Deel, you'll save time, avoid mistakes, and ensure your team is well managed and compliant with local regulations. Try it out for free today and see how Deel can transform your workflow.